gosh, it's freezing. Yeah, I know. When is Mommy gonna be here? It's so cold. Hey twins, so sorry that it took me so long to get here. Like, there was a bunch of traffic of people trying to get home because of the rain. Okay, enough of your yapping now. Let's go home now. Bro, Sea City was so fun. I cannot wait to go back next year. Yeah, bro, like, I hope I'm coming too because, like, who doesn't want to come, like, to see Isle City? Yeah. We need to go to New Jersey together. Like, we need to go together one day. Lana, get your butt out of there right now. Oh, hold on, Mom, just a second. Lana, I mean now. Ah! Oh my goodness, okay. Bro, moms these days, why won't my mom pick me up right now? I hate this school. Matthew, come open the door, it's freezing, come on. Matthew, I swear I'm going to kill you next time. Whoops. Anyways, it's fine. I can go get dinner started if you want. I swear the twins are so freaking annoying. Okay guys, go get into your PJs and we'll tell you when dinner's ready. So go get started and be sure to brush your teeth and wash your face after dinner and also take a bath or a shower. Yeah. Hi Fluffernut, you're so cute. Race you to the iPad. No fair, you got a head start.
What the dog doing?
I mean, I guess I could just finish a little art. Dude, join me in My Little Pony Tycoon right now. Haha, I'm literally so good at MM2. You cannot even stand a chance by me. Haha. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go take a shower. I'm gonna take these off and put them back on.
What the dog doing?
Oh my god. I feel so much better now. I'm gonna put on my skincare, then like get ready, go downstairs, do some art maybe, and yeah, like, oh my god. I cannot wait. Yes. And the fact that it's raining still is like insane because like I hate the rain, but like people love the rain for some reason. I do not know why, but that's weird because like I don't like it when it gets in my hair. Yeah. Quit, April. It's just MM2.
What the dog doing?
Ooh, yay, dinner! Yes, dinner, come on. Okay, everyone, so we're having sushi, dino nuggets, and pasta tonight. This took me forever to make, but I'm glad I got it done and right in the nick of time. So, yeah, let's start eating.
What the dog doing?
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And today's shout outs are to Simply Princess, Rasula, and Very Nice for your sweet and funny comments. So thank you so much. Bye. Love you.